Severe convective storms, or just simply thunderstorms, can have major impacts on environments and communities, bringing about with them high amounts of precipitation that can lead to devastating flooding or strong high mile per hour destructive winds that can pummel anything in the path. One region in the southern United States, particularly Texas, is quite prone to severe thunderstorms. With much of Texas being flat plain terrain, wind speeds can get pretty high at times, and even more so during severe storms. During hurricane season, Texas seems to have quite frequent severe thunderstorms due to the location being right in the Gulf of Mexico leading into the Atlantic Ocean, where there tends to be an even higher frequency of severe convective storms to come about in the frequency of storms in those seasons. According to the CSSR, there is to be an expectancy of an even higher frequency of severe convective storms to come about in the future, as well as increase in storm intensity in the spring going into the early summer months. Being a native Texan my whole life, I have personally witnessed the devastation and destruction that can come along with these severe storms. The damage can be caused in some of the cities as a result of these storms is sometimes catastrophic. The high amounts of precipitation leading to major flooding and devastation in many cities in Texas. In my short time, I've already seen much destruction come due to pretty strong storms that have struck the Texas region. The only solutions that I would think would be to try to set up cities better with better infrastructure and try and withstand the expected increased severe convective storms, such as better runoff systems to accommodate flooding such as that.